people working away on the plans no one sees. Where do they lead? Counting all the sprints done, shipping out features that nobody needs. Who sets the speed? Look at all the busy people caught inside a factory line. Look at all the busy people building, but they're left behind. Sarah the PM waits, writing up stories that tell you no story at all. Just standing tall, scrambling through the backlog. No time for vision or dreaming ahead, just what's been said. Look at all the busy people caught inside a factory line. Look at all the busy people building, but they're left behind. All the road maps that they write, fading like the morning light. Shipping futures, no one cares. No one sees the weight they bear. Marching the team lead sides, pushing out deadlines no one will recall. Just fill the wall. In the stand-up they nod, talking about features that never go look, just to survive. Look at all the busy people caught inside a factory line. Look at all the busy people building, but they're left behind. All the busy people shipping out features that no one would see. What will they be? All the busy people running in circles but never break free. What could they be?